Welcome to a moment with Sr Prisca. The caption of my reflection is The Sound of Joy. Every living soul has been destined to give thanks to God in and out of season. Though most times our present situation may cause us pain to the extent that we begin to question the existence of God Himself in our life or even in our situations. But in all of this, we have to know that before anything happens to us, God is already aware of them and He has solutions for all our problems, and He gives answers to them at His own time. Though the situation around us may provoke us a lot of pain to the extent that we begin to ask if actually God is aware that we are still in this existential planet, or there is still hope after this very moment of suffering. We must not allow our suffering to choke the joy of our existence, the joy that has been given to us from birth, because God created everything in happiness and saw that it was good before He handed it over to man. Let us continue to sing the song of joy, even when we are being persecuted, even in the face of injustice, even in the face of evil. If things are too hard for us at this moment when we still hope in God, what would have become of us if our life has been without God Himself? Let us learn to give thanks and trust in the words of praises and songs and prayers that we revert to Him. God, who sees our inner hearts, will provide the answers and solutions to our problems. Let us allow God to take care of His own word. Let us do our own part and leave the rest for Him. The sound of joy is ringing in every soul. Let us take the reading and the beating and continue to sing praise to God. Every life is meaningful, no matter how difficult our present situation may have rendered it to. Joy is just a 3-word letter, J-O-Y. Let us practice it. It is good for our soul, and it is the best way we can approach God faster, and with His remedy, we get to Him.